Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to the inaugural episode of Bangalore Integrated Management Academy, where we dive into most fascinating topics. So, in this episode, we'll be talking about technology in education. We have Professor Sabha Khan, who was working in corporate field earlier, and now she's working as professor in Bangalore Integrated Management Academy. We welcome you, ma'am, and we are happy to have you here. So my very first question is that how has technology transformed education in recent years?
So I think technology has completely changed the education system. So now earlier students used to rely on, say, the classroom methods wherein blackboards and textbooks were being used. Now it has been completely changed. Thanks to COVID, it is only because of the COVID we got to know that education can also happen outside the four walls. So it is because of the COVID. Now everywhere we have all the online books, digital learning, digital system of education wherein everyone around the world can learn from the experts and have the best certificates with them.
So that's really fascinating, ma'am. So moving on to the next question, what is the future of technology in education?
Well, I think the future of technology is really exciting, wherein we have AI, artificial intelligence in every phase of education now. When we speak about it, we have virtual reality and augmented reality, which is making learning more immersive, and also people in and around the world can take the best out of technology and do the learning from anywhere around the world.
So that's an exciting future to look forward, ma'am. But with technology constantly evolving, how can faculty members stay up to date with the latest educational technology?
See, technology is all about the changes and adaptability. So technology keeps on changing and we have to adapt according to the changes. So what I suggest to the faculty members there are a lot of courses, TED Talks, workshops which are going, and both online and offline courses. So we can learn. It's not rocket science, right? Technology is just how you learn and use things. It has to become a daily habit where you learn and inculcate things in giving the lectures. So that is how you can keep the technology in pace and make your teaching more helpful with use of it.
Yes, ma'am. I totally agree with you, ma'am. It's not even a rocket science. We can learn in many ways. There are many options to learn and adapt our knowledge. So, speaking to the tech tools, which are some must-have tech tools in modern educators.
Okay, Sanjana, to speak about the tech tools, I believe there are many technology AI tools, but to name a few which should be must-in with every teachers and faculties and students are, like the first one is the Google Classroom for the assignment purpose. Second, I would say is Microsoft Teams and Zoom for the online class conduction. Thirdly, I would say Canva and presentation AI to make do magic with the presentations. And lastly, I think the master of all the apps is the ChatGPT. You just have to give a proper prompt wherein the ChatGPT does magic.
Yes, ma'am. Like AI tools are just magic. It helps us in many ways. But here's a big question. So, can technology replace teachers in the future? So what's your opinion on this, ma'am?
It's a very interesting question, but what I feel is no matter how much the technology evolves, ultimately the human touch, the personal touch what a teacher gives can never be replaced by any robot or any technology around the world, because the teachers are no more our lecturers. They're also a guide, mentor, they're your counselors who give you an emotional support which no machine can do. For the answer for your question is a big no. Technology can never ever replace teachers.
I totally agree with you, ma'am. So thank you for your patience to answer up all these questions, and thank you for watching this video. So please do like, share and subscribe, as we will be discussing more interesting topics in the upcoming sessions. So stay tuned from Bangalore Integrated Management Academy.